Right, we're going to set up this pizza oven. Now, I got pizzas tonight, so probably just leave you over here. It's from Bunnings. So I'll just use them to get the fire going. Pretty much fill this up, and then I'll just chuck a bit of them in too, because that really gets it going. They don't last very long, not as long as the chips, but as the pellets gets them going. Fill it right up. Just use one of them. Find the fire lighters. Chuck that in here. Right, so you got to be onto this because it does go out. That's good now. So put that in. Probably I'll leave the lid off. You can just start to see the flame come through there. So we're going to leave that off for now. Let that really crank up, get it nice and hot, and I'll get back to you. So I've got one of these. You want to see about 22, so you want to see about 400 before you go whacking a pizza on. Been 5 minutes or so. We've just made the pizzas, and we're looking at about 180 degrees, that's Celsius, and a nice flame. Nice flame up the back. I'm just going to check it. Should be right though. Yeah, heaps of wood left in there. I'll leave the front off. And the pizzas are made. So we have just ready-made bases. Bit of oil. We just use like a well, that's a pizza sauce, but sometimes we use just pasta sauce. On there, so oil, pasta sauce, cheese, and then all your toppings. And we just go half. Mrs. doesn't like prawns, so we'll just go the halves on that one. But I always rush it. So this one's from Bunnings. It's the Salter. Can't remember. It was around the $180 mark or so. It's meant to be all stainless. I wouldn't go leaving it out in the rain. There's no need to, because this comes off, fits inside, so it packs up pretty nicely. Oh, the flame's gone, so it's running out of oxygen. So just take that out and get this cranked back up. It's the only thing, she's a bit touchy. kind of just have to leave it cracked a bit at the back. It's coming up. So we'll just leave it like that. It's better to leave it, and then when you're ready to cook, that's when you use the lid. I found the cover, the front cover. But don't put it on while you're trying to get the fire hot, because it just doesn't let enough oxygen through, and it takes forever. It will get hot, but it takes forever. So yeah, we'll just leave it like that for a bit and see how we go. Okay, and that's how you know you got it cranking now, because the flames are coming out the top there. I ended up putting the front back on. Oh, that's better. Yeah, it does actually heat up better. I can't remember. It's been a while since I used it, so I think it's when you start cooking you leave the front off. Can't remember. But yeah, that's smashing now. That's really good. I haven't added any extra fuel. It's just what's in there has really taken off now. So all good. So yeah, just wait for that stone to get up to temp, and we're all good. Got it. So yeah, it's going in. Nice fire. And we'll see how that goes. And just used a bit of I think it's semolina. You can't use flour because flour will burn, so semolina, just chuck it on the stone and a little bit on the paddle, and it just makes the pizza slide a bit nicer. So we'll see how that goes, but that won't take long. Got the nice flame, and you just got to turn it around every so often. But it should only take like, if you got it pretty hot, it should only take like a minute. Alright, so the next one's about to come out. We've already eaten one. It's a bit like pancakes. The first one never comes out properly. So this one should be all nice and bubbly, and it's all just a bit hotter, I think. But yeah, the first one's almost a write-off. So I'll just get my assistant to hold the... Yeah, dogs. You can hear it bubbling. Yeah, nice. That's cooked. It's all bubbling up. Beautiful. Alright. Get the next one. You can turn it off. Alright, we're on our last pizza. And I think the decision's made that this will probably be the last time we use this thing. It's alright. The pizzas are really good. That last one's just in there now. But it's just too temperamental with the fire. You got to constantly, like probably not even 5 minutes, you've got to put, probably about that many pellets in. It's probably due for it now, actually. Because if you let the flame go, you've got to use the gas torch to get it back again. And you can't fill that hopper up, because otherwise you'll smother the flame, and that's it. You got to start from scratch. So, and then that happened. Pizza was a bit sloppy and slid off and went down my shorts. Yeah, so I think this is going to be the last time we use it. You can see it's really bubbling. Like it gets plenty hot enough, and the flavour's there. But I think I'm going to do some research and have a look, see what else is out there. I don't want a gas one. I really like the wood fired, the taste of that. But it really needs something that holds more pellets. Yeah, I don't know. They really need to make one that's like the smoker, that just self-feeds itself. You just fill up like a kilo, and then it just feeds itself as it needs it. But I'm not aware of anything like that. So yeah, so I'll end the video here anyway. The pizzas are really good, so it's not a total waste, but that's probably only about the 4th time we've used it, and I can't get the fire to stay longer than, so I think it's already, oh no, it's still there, but yeah, I can't get it to stay longer than about 5 minutes. That's all it's got in it, really, and you just got to keep topping it up. But anyway, have a good weekend. We'll catch you later.